Hey, balance seekers, it's Christine, the author, and Lucky, the special dog, and we're here to share chapter 4 with you. Picture this with me, balance seekers. You're driving a Ferrari. Oh, yeah. But something feels off. The engine's purring, the dashboard looks perfect, but you're barely crawling down the freeway. What the heck is going on? You pull over, you take a moment, you're feeling frustrated because you just bought this bad boy, and you discover, you've been driving with the parking brake on, right? Sounds ridiculous. But guess what? You are that Ferrari. You're driving and not your best self. Today, we're going to release that brake and let you open it up on the open road. Here's a confession. I need to tell you something that might sting a little, okay? Your body isn't broken, balance seekers. You can't blame somebody. It's been sliding into your DMs probably for years. That clenched jaw that turns into TNJ during meetings, those Sunday night or Monday morning anxiety spirals. I do that. Needing to have coffee just to feel human again and start thinking. These aren't glitches in your system. I have that mug that says, "Don't talk to me until we've had coffee." But it's your body's way of saying, "I have a message for you. Remember me, your co-pilot? We need to talk." Your body's been sending you texts for months, probably longer. But you keep hitting that, remind me later. There is hidden trauma within us, and it's okay. You don't have to figure out exactly what it is, but it's something that nobody talks about. It's not big, obvious stuff like the impact of wars and domestic violence. It's that toxic boss who makes you question your worth. Like, I thought that was good. What's he talking about? It's the relationship that you're in that leaves you walking on eggshells, not having the freedom to be yourself. The constant pressure to be on, be happy 24/7, all of that. It literally rewires your nervous system. I used to never want to go out unless I was 110%. People were used to the peppy Chris. But when I get stuck in survival mode, like your phone, like perpetually in low battery mode, right? And you're trying to do stuff, everything feels like a threat. Take a moment right now. Can you feel in your body the quiet? Probably not. You feel an underlying tension, don't you? But guess what? That's not weakness or a broken system. It's your body trying to protect you. It detects something's not okay, and it's the protective stance. Here's where it gets absolutely fascinating. And this is going to kind of blow your mind. Yeah. The way your brain works is not too different from like a Netflix algorithm or any of the search algorithms. Seriously. Say one day you binge watch a true crime series, and then suddenly Netflix thinks you're obsessed with serial killers and sends you the goriest, bloodiest stuff possible, right? Your brain has this incredible area called the reticular activating system. It's like your mind's bouncer because we can't be taking in everything at the same time. Every single second, 11 million pieces of information come into our brain, all the input. But here's the kicker, only 40 bits is the capacity that your conscious awareness can handle. 40. That's a lot of missed stuff. It's like having access to a whole library, but only being able to read one sentence through a keyhole. When you're stuck in survival mode, this becomes kind of like your overprotective parent, like I used to be. Filtering everything is potentially dangerous. Every text gets analyzed, read hidden meanings, passive aggression into it. Every conversation feels loaded. But And this is where it gets exciting. The truth is, you can hack your own algorithm and update your software. Think about that for a moment. Did you know you have the power to choose your thoughts and to reprogram what your brain pays attention to? Your body is genius. Now let's talk about something that's really going to change. It's going to change your relationship and how you see your body probably forever, I hope. You know all the fancy gadgets we're obsessed with? I mean, I love technology. We have the heart rate monitors, the rings, the sleep trackers. It's pretty cool. I love my sleep app. But guess what? Our body's been doing this for thousands of years. Your vagus nerve was tracking your heart rate variability. Does it come down to rest and then respond to a threat? That was happening before Apple even existed. Your body is literally the most sophisticated smart home system ever created. This is the problem. It's not that you're broken or malfunctioning, but you've been trying to manually override the automation. Just trust it and learn to work with your body's incredible intelligence, set up the environment and the structure, and it should all work. The tight shoulders, the shallow breathing. Your body's not betraying you. Don't call it the bad leg or the bum shoulder. It's communicating, what if right now you put your hands on your heart? Try to feel that rhythm. Can you feel your heartbeat? It's your body talking to you. What is it saying? Truth is always found in your energy. And this is profound. It changes everything. Where you place your attention, energy flows. Where attention goes, energy flows. When your attention is scattered, like in survival mode, the energy needed for healing, nope, not available. Yeah. It's like trying to charge your phone on a crappy charger while using navigation, streaming music, and recording a groovy video. No wonder you feel constantly drained and overwhelmed. Our system is not meant to multitask. When you learn to direct your attention with intention, not unconsciously, this is where the magic happens. Magic. You can even keep a miracle journal, synchronicity. This is where anything becomes possible. But it starts with truly being honest about where your internal GPS is directing you. Here's what we're going to do. Throughout this Discover Balance Heal for Real book, I'm going to show you how to become the GPS navigator of your own system and your own life. Because right now, your old software is using those old trauma maps, taking elaborate detours, avoiding people and things and dangers that don't even exist anymore. No wonder you're exhausted. Too much energy on the basics. The recalibration starts with one powerful question. You have to be truthful. Where are you actually right now? Not where you were yesterday, not where you're afraid you'll end up, or that you're doing better than you are, but really right here in this moment, in this avatar, in this breath. Take a deep breath with me right now. In through your nose, out through your mouth. That's all it takes. This is where you are, in the quiet where healing begins and where your intention is on healing. Balance seekers, hear me. Remember, you're not broken, you're not behind, you're not taking forever to heal, you're not too much or you're not enough. You are a badass Ferrari. You just need to release the parking brake of fear and remember how strong and powerful you are. You weren't built for the slow lane. Your auto heal system isn't some premium upgrade that only some people get with perfect workout and wellness schedules. You don't need to purchase it in the form of supplements or extra health care. It all comes with your original package. It's included. You just need to learn how to use it and access it. We didn't come with a user manual, did we? But here, this is what we're doing together. This is your healing manual. So here's my invitation and challenge for you. Don't just listen to this stuff. Experience it. Listen or read the full book. Scan the QR codes that connect you to specific videos that will help you in the categories where you need support. And how do you know what they are? You have to slow down, yo. Be in the quiet. Then you can figure it out. Try the exercises with me. Why would you not hang out with me? Come on. I promise it's good for you. Experience the guided meditations with me. Feel the difference in yourself when you actually use these tools instead of just cognitizing and saying, I know. Just knowing about them isn't enough. What parking brake are you ready to release? Can't do it if you're not even aware of it. So take a moment. Really think about it with compassion, not judgment. But what do you think's been holding you back from living your full, satisfying life? Who would you be without those negative thoughts? Drop it in the comments below. And if any of this resonates, hit the subscribe button. We're just getting started on this journey. And I wish you well. And you're not alone. I'll see you in the next chapter. Balance seekers, take care of you. Go be that badass Ferrari you were meant to be. It's a sweet ride.